Hello and welcome to Islands Traditions. Today I'm going to show you how to make brown sugar with only using 2 ingredients. First ingredient, white sugar. Put some white sugar in a bowl depending on how much you want to use. And molasses. Now I just start with a little bit. Depends on how dark you want your brown sugar. If it's too dark, you add a little more sugar. If it's too light, you add a little more molasses. And then you just take your hands and you start smushing it together. It is a little sticky at first, but it will come together. Now, living on an island and 45 minutes away from town, sometimes you run into these things and have to make them yourself. So I learned to make a lot of things with just using things I already have around the house. Now keep pushing this together with your fingers and it will come together nicely. And there it goes, it's coming together. Doesn't take very long, just a minute or two. And only 2 ingredients. And there it is. Here we have homemade brown sugar. Thank you all for tuning in. Hope you have a great day. God bless.